All right, let me show you an alternative way of doing a loop with the play loop button. Uh, and you'll see it mentioned here on the wiki site. There's a whole play loop button here. They show you the code, what to insert here, and then there's a tutorial here that shows you how to do it, kind of. It's all written by geeks, for geeks. It's kind of confusing to figure out, but good old Uncle Bixie is here to show you how to do it. All right, I got another iMacro here, just for this. It looks similar to what one you just saw, but I've deleted the five times it went through. It's the same information. And I've got another CSV file here, like the other one, 6 columns, and I've called it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the data here. All right, same 6 columns. Set loop 2. Well, what this is saying is to start the loop on number 2. Obviously, I don't want 1. That's the header information. 2, and then I'll go every time it loops, it'll go 3, 4, 5, 6 automatically, and that's what it's saying right here. Data source loop. All right. To play it, you get this play loop button here. Now, because we have 5 rows of data, we want to go through 5 times. Because it starts on 1, add 5, so it's going to be 6. And let's do it. That's it here. And don't hit the regular play button, hit the play loop button. Now, I'm not going to bother saving this stuff, but it's going to go through everything as you saw before. Okay, pauses. There's line 1. I'm not going to bother with this. Hit the continue button. Bang. 2. Now, the reason why this works is because we're on one website, and it's literally doing the same thing over and over again. 3. You notice it also has to log back in every time and get to the same point. Bang. 4. Now, if the internet was slow or you had a very long login sequence, this can be painful if you've got to wait for it to go through the whole cycle just to get to the same point. And there's 5. But the original, my preferred method, is just to use data source, the line 2, and just name the data source for each time you go through. Now, obviously, this is all the same information, but what we're going to be doing shortly is going through many different sites all at once. As an example, these could be all vBulletin sites, 1, 2, 3, and they're all subtly different for login information. Some of the fields are a little bit, named differently in a different spot, and or let's say bookmarks. We want to combine a whole run of bookmarks. Say delicious is here. This is something else. Bing, 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 bing. This will all be different. So when you do it this way, it's kind of much more straightforward. See, it's line 3, bang. Line 4, line 5. So there you go.